Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will show to your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us on Telegram, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. And I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Please, guys, support us. Smashing that like button, writing down a comment, tell us the view of you, where is the Bitcoin is going to go. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see today here, that the daily candle here, that one here, it's finished and it's showing to us an indecision candle here, very clear indecision candle here. And man, the Bitcoin till now couldn't break that level here, that one here of 29k. And the Bitcoin is staying here in that level or that zone here, as you see it. But 2 weeks, and now also we are going to the third week. There is nothing new here, guys. And here, it's staying here, that inside bar also we been following. That the third week now, the candle me I'm talking about is that green one here. I know I show it to you even in the last video, but me I show it to you like that for you to learn. You need to wait till the right time, not just came and started buying or started entering. You need to wait until the right moment, because till now we don't know exactly what's going to happen. Either we're going to break above here or we're going to break down here. I know you get fed up of a lot of videos, a lot of misleading titles, but the reality, there is nothing now. You need to wait, and either we're breaking here or we're breaking here. We don't breaking above or down. There is nothing yet. You need to wait more till the right time. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So here in the daily, there is nothing yet. You need to wait more. And I got for you something else. Let me show it to you here. So let's go into see it. The things I got for you guys, don't want to be and show it to you for some time now. And people, they been with us, they remember we used to be here. That's how us we spot in the bottom at 15k. Now look at it here. Look at the color, how it's become here. It's become purple like that. And like here. And like here. So us we've been in the bottom, guys. And I told you the target of the Bitcoin in 2025 is it here at $500,000, guys. I'll show you all those things. And that one here, the halving cycle. And us we are very close to it now. It doesn't left a lot. We are very close to the halving cycle, and historical, every time when the halving cycle came, as you see it, we see a big jump in the price of the Bitcoin, and also we are very close to it. Then we're going to see the Bitcoin is going to here to the $500,000, guys. $500,000. That way me I told you, for long-term investors, just they say, and that one is a message for someone. He messaged me. He told me he got some money, and me I reply him. I told him that much of money you got, started buying slowly by slowly, buying once a week, once a month. You don't know exactly what's going to happen, but started buying slowly by slowly. Me, I'm still believing there is a correction going to happen, but you started buying slowly by slowly. Don't buy all the money you have in one go. Buying slowly by slowly. In any correction happening, buying slowly by slowly. Or make once a month, every start of the month, buying a little bit of Bitcoin. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today and to see the past day, what's happening. Here it is, that the past day. You remember what me I told you yesterday? I told you I got some news. It's telling me the ISM is going to fall down below then 54, and that's what it's showing here. As you see it, it's showing it fall down to 51. That's something very bad for US economic. That's when US economic, it started falling, and we need to break 50. If it's breaking 50, it's going to be a very nice level for long-term investors in US stocks to start buying. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So let's see in the news of today. For today, that's what we got here. we got initial jobless claim over here. It's showing the forecast is going to go higher depending the job, but also we're still waiting till Friday is going to come the unemployment rate, what is going to tell us. So I think there is nothing here. The only thing here is our friend, the table of us as we follow every day here. Look at it. US stocks today, all of them, they are red. As you see it, the Nasdaq, it fell down a lot today because the petrol price, I told you that the petrol price is going to increase inflation more in USA. So we're still waiting next month how is going to come the inflation of USA. And that month there is someone, not the Fed, not Jerome Powell is going to come to talk, but a member of the Fed is going to talk. So let's wait to see what he's going to say. And here, as you see it, the VIX, it's still below 20. Yes, it go up above 18 where we used to be before. Mascaris is getting a little bit higher because of what Saudi and OPEC plus one did. But let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. And US dollar, because there is a war now against US dollar, as you see it. Even when ISM is falling, it needs the US dollar to go up. But that one, it doesn't show that here. I think till now we don't got a clear picture in US economic. We need to wait in a little bit. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, we said it like that. We said here like that. And in the top here, we said like that. Yesterday, it came till here after yesterday video. But it came that red candle and it pushed it down. So till now, there is nothing new. We need to wait and more. Where is the Bitcoin is going to go? I know some people, they're telling you we got here a triangle. Yes, you can make a triangle. But me, I'm not going to enter now in that triangle or something. Unless if you want to enter from here just to here to that level here or to that line here, that's another story. But for you to enter short or to enter long for swing trading, there is nothing yet. You need to wait and more. That way, me, I'm avoiding those days to give you those signals like that one here. Let me show it to you. That one here. You can make it here like a uptrend here and you wait it if it's going to get broke here. You can enter short. But me, I don't make it because I know those things, they don't work those days. Because people, they been with us, they remember us, we enter along from here. It went just to here. Then after that, it's staying sideways here. So market is it sideways now. We need to wait in that sideways level. Sideways level is it here and here. So us, we're still waiting. Either we're going to break down. That means the Bitcoin is going to fall down, or it's going to break above here. That means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Till now there is nothing, so we need to wait in more. Where is the Bitcoin is going? Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our indicator. What it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, after yesterday we used to be here. It came out here to the bull's control. Then it fell down again to here. So till now we're still having here that trend line here. As you see it, it's still very stronger trend line here. We couldn't break it. We came back, we touched it here. Now it fell down here. So till now there is no one controlling. No bulls, no bears. All of them, they are equal, as you see it here. So it's need at least to break down here. And to tell us is in the price action that just show you the channel, the market is going to fall down. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Or to come above here, where is the bulls, they controlling. And to break above that channel, it's telling us the market is going to change. Till now, there is nothing. So we need to wait in more till the right time came to you. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, I show you, we got here a divergence here. Very clear divergence here. But till now, it couldn't break here. That level here, us we been waiting here for us to enter short. So we need to wait more till the market breaking down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. For the long is the same thing. It need to come to break above here for us to enter long. Till now there is no long, no short. The market is showing to us we are sideways here. And yesterday I show you here we got the 200 moving average. You can just go back and watch yesterday video. I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for pictures to get more clear to you guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video I told you like that. I told you here, down. You do it like that. As you see it, we couldn't break that level here. So that meant there is no entry short yet. And for the long, I told you came here. It need that one to break above here, and as you see, it couldn't break above here. So till now there is nothing. You need to wait in more, guys. Till now there is nothing new here. You need to wait in. But the only thing I can tell you now, over here now, we try to show you here like a head and shoulder. As you see it, very clear. I'm not drawing top of it. For picture to get more clear to you, look with me here. That the first shoulder, over here that the head, over here that the second shoulder. The neckline is it down here, but till now it couldn't break the neckline. So till now it's still very early, and if it's breaking, it's going to fall down just to here. And better for you to follow the trend line here. Look with me how I'm going to draw it. Just come here and you do it like that, and you're waiting. That one to break down here is going to be early, then to break in the neckline of that head and shoulder, then it's going to fall down just to here, down here at 26,550. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are here at the oversold area. That meant technically now you need to start looking for buy. Should you enter long at this time? No, we don't got nothing here. Only thing you can make a trend line like that, and you wait if it's getting broke above here. It's going to go just to here. And people they been with us the video before in the last one. I told you here to enter long here from the trend line because we used to have here a divergence here like that. So it's breaking here in that level. So we'll have you enter till here. Good profit. Now here at that level here, for you to enter long, it's need that one to come to break above here the trend line as I show it to you here to enter long. For the short is the same thing. Look with me here what I'm going to do. That trend line here, if it's getting broke, that means it's going to fall down more. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, because those days, guys, I saw you don't support us. So please support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.